Magandang hapon po ng August 31, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng August 31, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, August 31, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 31, 2024, Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for Saturday, August 31, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for August 31, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.